Okay, will we finish?
Teacher, I have her number.
Till that we will finish lesson 3 and lesson 4.
Teacher, she
Don't
talked
worry.
to me and
Okay,
only one time she answered and
please.
something like me and her entered in a Zoom meeting by ourselves. I don't know.
Okay, in the previous lessons, we have talked about how are photosynthesis and respiration related. As we said, what happens to the products of photosynthesis? The cells use oxygen to break down sugars. To break down sugars for energy during cellular respiration. And we have talked about what happens to the products of the cellular respiration. Plants use the carbon dioxide and water to produce sugars during photosynthesis.
Mister,
Okay, yes,
where's what?
page 56.
56.
Yes, and what happens during cellular respiration? The organism uses oxygen to break down sugars for energy. We have to concentrate on this information. We have to know organism use oxygen to break down sugars for energy. And now what does plant need to perform photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. The sun is the most important source for energy in the world. The sugar produced in photosynthesis, the fuel in the air, the energy is released when cells use oxygen to break down sugars in the process cellular respirations. Now, we will define cellular respiration. Occur in the mitochondria, oxygen combines with sugars to release the energy your body uses to work. Also, plants do the cellular respiration. The animal do the cellular respiration, and the plants do the cellular respiration. Plants take in oxygen through their stomata and break down sugars for energy. During cellular respiration, plants and animal cells produce carbon dioxide and water. Here the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. Plant and animal cells produce carbon dioxide and water as waste products, which are then released back into the air. Now, scientists also express cellular respiration equation 6CO2 plus sugar result 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Now open your book page 56. Put the highlight, page 56. How are photosynthesis and respiration related?
Mister, wait a second.
What? Page 56, textbook. How are photosynthesis and respiration related? Now who can read first passage? Zain Rida,
Yes.
read first passage.
Okay. How are photosynthesis and respiration related?
Yeah.
The most important source of energy for Earth is the sun.
Yeah.
Plants can use the sun's energy to make fuel.
Yes.
The sugars produced during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis are used by most organisms for energy.
Okay, thank you. Process of cellular respiration. Second passage. Who can read?
Me.
Yes,
Me,
read.
Mr.
Read,
Can I
read.
read?
Hamza.
Can I read? Yeah. Cellular,
Cellular
cellular respiration
respiration.
occurs in what? Respiration
Yes.
in the mitochondria of your cells. Here oxygen combines with stored sugars to release energy which your body uses to do work. Plants also perform cellular respiration. They
Respiration.
take in oxygen from during cellular respiration.
From the
Plant
air. From the air.
the where is it?
From,
So we don't have it.
it's
We
from the
don't have it.
air. There's tomato.
Mister, we don't have it in the book.
Okay, during cellular. Yes. During cellular.
During cellular respiration, the plant and animal cells produce carbon dioxide and water as waste
Products. Yes.
products, which are then released back into the air. Scientists also express cellular respiration as a chemical equation. Plants use these products of cellular respiration to perform photosynthesis.
Okay, thank you. Here, the energy is result 6CO2 plus sugar, result 6CO2, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Muhammad Dia, question number 1.
Yes, Mister. Do plants produce carbon dioxide? Explain.
Yes.
Plants must burn the sugar that they make for energy. When this sugar is burned, carbon dioxide is produced.
Yes. Yes, plants must burn the sugar that they make for energy. When this sugar is burned, carbon dioxide is produced. Muhammad Saif,
Yes, Mister.
critical thinking.
Easier for your body to store food or oxygen? Food
Yes,
is easy to store.
Plants
You
easier
can
to
go
store.
days, you can
What is easier?
you can
It is
go
easier
for
to
days
store.
without food,
Go
but you
for
must
days
breathe
with
oxygen
the help food,
continuously.
mass, bread,
Yeah, thank you.
oxygen.
Thank you. Now we have finished page 56. We are gonna page 57. Page 57. Have you finished from page 56?
No, Mister.
Okay, hurry up.
Mister, we don't have a space to write it, Mister.
Wait.
We don't have a space, Mister.
Okay, you can write on the corner on the alt
I don't
paper.
know, Mister. There is no space, Mister. In the corner, Mister, it's all black. When I write, I can't see any writing.
Now you can see.
No, Mister, not yours. Ours. I can't. We don't have any space where we write it.
Okay. You can write on copybook.
I'll take a screenshot.
Yeah, you can make screenshot. Yes. Now it's okay.
No.
Okay, we are gonna to page 57. Page 57. Number.
Mister, I did not finish. Let me take a screenshot. I want to take a screenshot.
Yes. Back. I'll back. Yes.
Wait.
Why this picture, mister? We don't want this one. Return to the other picture.
Okay.
No.
No,
Okay.
not this one.
Flowering plants are called angiosperm. Flowering plants are called angiosperm. Question number 3. In your book, question number 1, I think. Try to match it.
Mr. Flowering plants. Mr. Flowering
Yes?
plants.
Yes? Called
Flowering
angiosperm.
plants.
Angiosperm. Angiosperm. Yeah.
Angiosperm.
Yeah.
And the flowering that do not produce flower is gymnosperm.
Thank you. Thank you. Here we can summarize the lessons. Plants are divided into vascular and non-vascular plants. Vascular plants are divided into seed plants and seedless plants. Roots anchor a plant and supply it with water. Silent, please.
Okay.
Stems support a plant and transport materials. Leaves carry out the process of photosynthesis. Organisms burn the sugars produced in photosynthesis during cellular respiration. Now, which kind of plant produces fruit? Angiosperm. Angiosperm. Which of the following is found inside the stem of a plant? Xylem.
Can I answer?
Kareem, yes.
Which kind of the plant process produce a fruit? Angiosperm.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Did well. You did well. Thank you. Lower your hand, please. Okay, now. Kareem Muhammad. Kareem Muhammad.
Yeah, mister, I only want to answer.
Okay. Number 6. Which of the following is found inside the stem? Answer, please.
Mr. Me?
Yeah?
Xylem.
Xylem. Yes, excellent. Fine, fine. Okay, now we have finished from lesson 3. Open your workbook, page 13, page 14. Open your workbook, page 14. Question number 8.
Can I answer?
Yes.
What are stems? Stems have two main functions: support structure and transport.
Mr. Page 14, Mr.
Page 14, yes, page 14. Page
Stems.
Page
You said
14. Page 14. Now, number 9. Number 9.
Grasses have soft stems.
Hamza, stop, Hamza. Stop, Hamza, please. We'll give a chance to your classmates. Thank you. New student, new student, new student, new student. Saif Nabil.
Mr. Me. Hello, Mr.
Saif Nabil. Read.
Stems have two main functions and sport and
the laptop.
and sport.
حصة.
The word is
number 9.
number 9.
Yeah.
Mr. Me.
Grass
Grasses
grasses
have
have
soft
stems.
stems. Soft stems. The blank soft stems. The blank soft stems. Yes.
That are green
And bendable.
bendable
Trees
trees
have
have wood stem.
wood stem.
Wood
Okay.
stem.
Number 10. Thank you.
Me, Mr. Me, Ahmed Bandar, I know it.
Ahmed Bandar, please.
Two kinds of cell make up the transferred system that plant cell that move water and mine up the plant are externally
Xylem and phloem.
XYLEN externally. I don't know how to say it.
Okay. Now check your answer. Check your answer.
Yeah,
Thank
Mr.
you.
I did it. Mr. I did it.
Yes. Thank you, Ahmed Bandar, thank you. Now check your answer.
Mister, can I answer number 11?
Mr. Me, please.
Check your answer. Silent. Ali Abbas, number 11. Number 11, Ali Abbas.
The
Answer.
function of leaves is to perform photosynthesis.
Excellent, fine, we did well. Number 12.
Number 12 to perform
No, Ali Abbas, thank you. Other students, I'll choose Faris Ammar.
Okay, number 13.
Number 12.
Okay, 12. To perform photosynthesis, chloroplasts need from air, water from the soil.
Yes. The carbon dioxide and sunlight.
Carbon
First line,
dioxide
carbon dioxide,
and
sunlight.
sunlight.
Okay. Number 13. Ziad Majid.
Yeah, Mister.
Ziad.
Number 13.
Easy.
Omar Qutayba.
13, yeah, Mister.
Muhammad Wa'il. Some students absent. Okay.
Yes, teacher. Can I answer? Teacher, I want to answer. Mister, I want to answer.
Ahmed
Mister,
Hassouna.
I want to answer.
Yes, Mister.
Ahmed Hassouna.
Yes. What are you?
Ahmed Tamer.
Mister, can I answer it?
Mister, do you hear me?
Yes, Mister. Yes, Mister.
Ahmed Tamer.
Yes. Mister.
Ahmed Tamer, I didn't
I
hear
know.
you.
Mister, you can hear me? Mister.
Mr. Me, I know it. Easy.
Ahmed Khalid.
Mister, can you hear me? I'm Ahmed. I want to answer.
Mr. Can I answer?
I am Chef Nabil. Can I
Mr.
answer?
Ammar, can I answer number 13?
I want to answer number
Ahmed
15.
Khalid.
Yes. I want to answer.
Let's answer. Number 13.
Air and through stoma formed on the underside of the leaf.
Stomata. Number 13, stomata. Now, check your answer.
Mister, can you go down? Mister, can you go down?
Wait. Check your answer.
All of it is correct.
Okay, thank you. Now we are gonna to the next page, 15. Page 15.
Hear me?
Page 15. Page 15.
Page 15, mister.
Yes, page 15.
Okay.
Number 1.
Can I answer it? Mr.
Ali,
Please, can I answer it?
Hamza. Yes, Hamza.
Fill in the blank with a term from the box.
Seed plant.
Number 1, a seed plant that does not produce flowers is called gymnosperm.
Excellent. Gymnosperm. Thank you. Lower your hand. When you finish, lower your
Me.
hand.
Mr. Me.
Ali Abbas.
Yes.
Number 2.
Cells that move sugars up, down, and all around a plant are called phloem.
Flowing. Thank you. Thank you. Ali, lower your hand, please.
You're welcome.
Mister, what is number
No.
2?
Number 2, flowing. I will give you a chance. Okay. Number 3. Hamad Dia. Number 3.
Yes, Mister.
Number 3.
A layer in the plant stems that separates xylem and phloem is called cambium.
Cambium. Yes, you did well. Thank you. Number 4. Lower your hand. Lower your hand. Okay. When you finish, lower your hand. Omar Mazin. Number 4.
Yes.
Number 4.
Number 4, Miss, I don't bring my book. I forget it.
Why? You have to bring your book. I told you before, all students must have book and workbook.
Yeah, so we could solve them.
The text box. So
Okay. Lower your hand, please. Lower your hand.
I missed it.
Faris Ammar.
Yes. In number what?
Number 5.
A seed that produces flower is
It's called
an xylem.
what?
Xylem.
Angiosperm. Angiosperm.
Just from
Number 5, angiosperm. Number 6. Number 6. I'll choose.
Mr. Me.
Adam Fadi.
Yes,
Adam
Mr.
Fadi. Number 6.
Cells that transport water and minerals from roots to shoots in plants are called xylem.
Excellent, thank you.
Mr. Can I answer?
Please.
Mr. Can I answer?
Saif Nabil?
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
The process that plants use to produce their food and give off oxygen is called photosynthesis.
Thank you. Lower your hand. Thank you.
Ali Abbas.
Ali Abbas, I will give a chance to your classmates.
Mr. Can I answer?
Lower your hand, Ali Abbas.
Mr. Can I
Yeah, I would say.
Sir, go down, Mister. Sir, can you go down?
Al Hassan Nasir.
No.
Al Hassan Nasir 8. Number 8. Hassan Nasser, number 8. Rami. Rami. Rami.
Mr. Can I answer?
Jamal Eddin.
Mr. Can I answer it?
Jamal Eddin Kredi.
Yes, I know. Can I answer it?
Yes, photosynthesis. I was going
Okay.
to
Okay.
answer that, but no.
Now, page 16. Page 16. Move to the page 16. Page 16.
Sorry, mister, I was in the...
Mister, I didn't finish.
Yeah. You have a minute.
Hold.
1 minute left. 1 minute.
Sorry, mister, I was in the bathroom.
Okay.
I finished, mister.
Thank you. Now, page 16. Page 16. Page 16. I'll choose.
Me, mister.
Yes, Mahmoud Saif. Yes.
Okay.
Read.
Seed plant can be divided into two main groups. Scientists call these groups angiosperm flowering plants
And
and gymnosperm plant without flower or
yeah. Continue.
fruit. Seed plants have three base parts: leaves, roots, and stem.
Thank you. Thank you. You did well. Thank you. Thank you. Ahmed Hassouna.
Mr. Karim Muhammad.
Abdul Karim Muhammad. Abdul Karim Muhammad. Yes, Abdul
No,
Karim.
Mr. My name is Karim Muhammad. You said me, you didn't say.
Karim, answer. Karim Muhammad, answer.
بس تخش تختار من واحد يقول لا تجاوب لا تجاوب.
Speak English, please.
The function of leaves is to absorb sunlight to create sugars, a process called photosynthesis.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stop, please. Faris Ammar,
Yes, mister.
continue.
The function of leaves that absorb sunlight to make sugars, a process called photosynthesis.
Yeah. Continue.
Continue. Okay.
The energy.
The energy of sunlight is captured by
Yeah.
chloroplasts.
Yeah. Continue.
Combine carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide comes into the leaf through
stomata.
stomata.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ziad Majid.
Mister, sunlight, mister, is a carbon by softplast.
Chloroplast.
The sugar made during photosynthesis travels to cell all over the plant where it is used for cellular
Respiration.
respiration.
Cellular respiration. Okay.
During this process, sugar is broken down to release energy to power the cell function by products are carbon dioxide and water.
Yeah. Thank you. Do you have any question? My son, do you have any question?
No.
Okay.
Mister, I didn't finish. Mister,
Okay. You have a time. Take your time.
I finished. I
Don't
finished.
worry. Yes. Now
Would
we
the
have
period
finished.
finish?
Lesson 3. We have finished. Lesson 3.
Why?
Yes. Next lesson
Why
we will start in the next lesson in new lessons. Please study hard.
Bye, Mister.
Bye, Mr.
Bye. We have 3
Bye,
minutes.
Mr.
No.
There
3
is
minutes
homework.
left.
We will have
Bye.
There is homework. No. Mister.
Homework, study your lessons. The homework, study your lessons, okay?
Bye, Mister.
Bye, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.